So valence bond theory cannot explain bond energy, bond strength and bond order. So it was explained by another theory, that is a molecular orbital theory. It was given by Hunts and Millikan. So atomic orbital combined to give the molecular orbital. So atomic orbital is nothing but it is a solution of Schrödinger wave function. Atomic orbital is a solution of Schrödinger wave function. Wave function is psi, where the space of probability of finding electron is more. So H psi is equal to E psi. So molecular orbital is the linear combination of atomic orbital where the energy and symmetry is same. So atomic orbital should have comparable energy and symmetry of the molecule should be same. In a wave theory, if you see that plus and minus will be there, when two waves are same phase, it is known as constructive interference. Then one wave will be formed. If two waves are outer phase, then it is known as destructive interference. Here individual wave get cancelled. If it is in out of phase, individual get cancelled and no wave will be shown. So according to Schrödinger, 5 orbitals are there where blue is negative and red is positive, which we cannot view the blue one because it will be behind the positive. Let us say the example of hydrogen molecule, two atoms of hydrogen, that is psi A and psi B. So psi A and psi B, it is a constructive, it is a addition, that is psi A minus psi B is a destructive interference. Actually first one is bonding and next one is anti-bonding. Let us see the construction interference of hydrogen molecule. When two hydrogen 1s orbital is combined, it form a structure in such a way two s orbital overlap and it form a eclipse with two nuclei. This is sigma 1s bond. Around this molecular orbital nuclei, electrons are delocalized. These two nucleus of electrons are held with that negative charge which is present in middle. Molecular orbital is polycentric, atomic orbital is monocentric because atomic has one nucleus, molecular has more than one nucleus. So here dense negative charge is present in the middle which help in held these two nucleus together. So this is known as bonding molecular orbital. So bonding molecular orbital is constructive interference. Bonding energy is less than energy of atomic orbital. So bonding molecular orbital energy is less than that atomic orbital. Let us see this outer phase of hydrogen. So when you see that positive and negative of combined, the middle part it get vanished and it became two centric. So when you see the sigma asterisk 1s is formed out of the phase, it is formed as a out of phase. So where this nodal place is available, there is no probability of finding electron, so that it gives strong repelling force, thus it cannot combine, it lead to anti-bonding. So anti-bonding energy is more than the energy of atomic orbital. This is known as anti-bonding molecular orbital. So the energy of anti-bonding is more than energy of atomic orbital. This high energy keep their nuclei in unfavorable position. So this is the anti-bonding. For sigma, it is bonding axis, and for SS overlap, sigma overlap, Z axis bonding is sigma star for ZPX and PY. So Px and Py is a pi orbital, two p orbital sigma overlap each other. Now 2px and pz is overlapping. So the position of nuclei will be formed in such a way, this portion will get vanished. So it became sigma star, that is antibonding molecular orbital. So, sidewise overlapping, linear head overlapping, linear overlapping. So this all the one give how this bond is forming. So pp orbital pi overlap. So the nodal surface, this is pi star. So number of bonding electron is more than number of antibonding orbital electron. Then only chemical bonding is possible. So let us see some example. Homonuclear diatomic molecule is possible or not, let us see. This is the way of writing molecular orbital diagram. Let us take this hydrogen 1s 1s, that is atomic orbital, and middle one is molecular orbital, how this molecule is formed. So one electron from 1s orbital of 2 hydrogen atom is present in such a way. Now it is filling this molecular orbital theory also according to Alpha principle, according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, and also Pauli's exclusion principle. So all those three rules are applicable for filling these electrons in molecular orbital also. Now two electrons are there in one s orbital. It combined to form sigma 1s. When you see this bond order formula is number of bonding electron minus number of antibonding divided by 2. That means into 1 by 2. So here bonding electron is 2, antibonding is 0. Therefore bond order is 1. So hydrogen 2, that means one molecule is possible. It is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic is repelled in magnetic field. Next let us see helium molecule. Here helium has 1s2. So 2 electrons are there. The 2 electrons from one will go to sigma, another one will go to sigma star. So the bond order is 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is 0. So there is no formation of He2 molecule is not possible. Let us see this second period. It has 2s, 1s, 2s and 2p. So when you see that sigma pz is energy and sigma px and py also have the energy. So strong overlap, nucleus may come closer, so it has more energy. So when you see this, the electrons of boron, how it filled. So 1s2, 2s2 fill in the such a way, 2px, 2px it combined, and the bond order 2 electrons are there, so 1 bond order is 1. It is paramagnetic. Next you see carbon 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It combined will see. So bonding electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Antibonding electron 1, 2, 3, 4. Thus the bond order is 2. It is diamagnetic. So diamagnetic or carbon dioxide. It can form carbon dioxide, carbon double bond also. When you see this oxygen, it has 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 are there. So 2p in here, 2pz is having higher energy than 2px and 2py. So when it is filling, because the sidewise overlapping, it get reduces when size of the nucleus is increases. Overlapping decreases, size of the nucleus is increase. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, it is combining in such a way. So when you see this bonding and antibonding electron, number of bonding electron is 10, number of antibonding electron is 6. Thus the bond order is 2.